also showcase their skills, and corporates and individuals can hire based on skills. So there are 20 categories, 350 plus talents with
Okay, so
disabilities are there.
Vineet. Yeah, so like you mentioned, Atypical Advantage is the first of its kind, a talent platform for people with disabilities, right? So I really want to know as to who came up with this idea and why did you feel the need to launch this platform and just bring everything under one roof? Is there a story behind it or what?
Yeah, so I'm a person with visual disability. I have
Right.
10% vision remaining in my right eye. So that
Hmm.
just gave me some empathy and to
Hmm.
understand people with disabilities at a deeper level. Then went
Hmm.
on to do my MBA from a prestigious B school, IIM Bangalore, and
Hmm.
then made shopping accessible to millions of people with disability in the country, where we realized that there are so many people who would like to actually be in public spaces just like any one of us here. So made ramps, accessible trial room, washroom. So
Hmm.
that was the genesis.
Hmm.
But COVID was the trigger point, and as everyone knows,
Right.
everyone has an idea, but we
Right.
don't do anything about it. Same with me. I was sitting on this thought for the past 2 years. But when I started receiving so many resumes during COVID of people with disabilities, I was feeling very helpless and not able to do too many things. Like I could, in my limited capacity, help 5 to 6 people. So
Hmm.
that was the genesis. And then I realized that a lot of individuals want to hire people with disabilities, but they don't
Hmm.
know where to find them. So
Hmm.
that was the gap. And the
Hmm.
platform just tries to bridge this gap and tell
Right.
everyone to see the skills and then hire based on their abilities. So this is
Right.
the
So
story.
like you mentioned, what I like about this app and your idea is that, like we as a society, we usually, sympathize a lot with people who are disabled. Like I don't like to call them disabled. I would just like call them specially abled, maybe in some way or not. But chalo, if you're calling them disabled, people or usually they sympathize towards them and they just, want to hire them. But what I like about your platform is that you want your audience to see their skills first and then hire them on their on that basis. Can you just elaborate a bit on more? Because I really like this idea because this just gives them this would just give one a perspective to look at them as a professional and not someone, just who is in need of work. So please tell us more about this,
Yeah.
and what has been the response towards this
Sure,
also.
sure, 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 sure. So, if we look at in this country, even with women, a lot of times we
Hmm.
either glorify them as Durga
Hmm.
and things like that.
Hmm.
And same with people with disability. Like being a person
Hmm.
with disability does not qualify someone to be an inspiration or
Right.
having some special abilities, because scientifically there is no basis to people having sixth sense. Like, for example, I am a person with visual disability, so people assume that my sixth sense is very strong. And
Hmm.
let's
Hmm.
say my listening abilities are super, and a lot of
Hmm.
people call me superhuman, inspiration, and things like that. That is a
Hmm.
good way of looking at things, but we
Hmm.
believe that even a better way of looking at things is don't view any person either as a superhuman, or which is a more human lens, or even a less
Right.
human lens. Like, for example, people
Right.
with disabilities are maybe considered like sympathetic, pity, bechara, they'll not be able to do
Hmm.
anything. But what
Right.
we see that in the long run, it does a disservice to that person with disability. Let's say, because if you hire them based on their disability, the person with
Hmm.
disability might not grow in the organization
Hmm.
as well as an individual. And
Hmm.
then they themselves would be limiting in their own potential. So the
Hmm.
idea of this platform is just to throw open and tell people that look at the possibilities. Uh, and in
Hmm.
terms of response, for example, a lot of people cannot even imagine that people with disabilities can become physiotherapist or a model or a
Right.
singer
Right.
or a
Yeah.
dancer.
Yeah.
But
Right.
it when you look at our platform and an individual goes to the platform and then they see so many skills the respect for people with disabilities at a deeper level increases. And for a
Right. Yeah.
person with disability himself, when he sees other people with disabilities being content writers or a
Hmm.
coder or an accessibility tester, the
Hmm.
respect naturally goes, and he sees one way that if this person with disability can do, then I can also do.
Hmm.
Similarly, the
Right.
platform provides avenues for selling products as well as
Right.
artwork made by people with disabilities.
Yeah, we will come to that, but so yeah, I mean that's a very nice thing to give someone a job with all the dignity and not just sympathize with them. Just as I feel that that is the way to go ahead with this, is to give them the equal platform. When we say that one should be treated normally, then in this aspect also I feel that we should start treating them just as normally as we would uh, do towards any other individual. So that is one great thing. Also, Vinny, could you just help us with what kinds of talents or skilled labor is available on the app? Is it limited to only artists, or like you said, like someone who's a physiotherapist or a masseuse, or what, like to what extent do you have artists and professionals on the app?
Sure. So, Rashmi, we launched this on December 11th, and
Right.
it's any category. Like we even have sales executives, like where
Hmm.
corporates can go and hire for retail shelves. Like
Right. Right.
to give
Hmm.
you other recent instance was Amazon hiring for
Hmm.
like their first model with learning disability for their Alexa range of speakers. Similarly, a lot of
Right.
corporate brands are coming up and at least looking at these skills. And in terms of
Hmm.
the skills and the category, any person with disability, as long as they
Hmm.
have any kind of skill, can get
Hmm.
listed. Like we also have
Hmm.
magician with a hearing disability. So
Oh,
it can't,
wow.
it's very diverse. In fact, all
Right.
categories are there.
Right. Yeah. So that's great. I hope people who are here they approach the website and maybe possibly hire someone from there, because it's a great initiative. Also, could you just help us with the process of booking or hiring an
Yeah,
individual on this website? How to go
sure.
about it? Do you guys charge any extra fee for that, or I mean, how are the negotiations? Is it via the website, or one could just get in touch with the person and then go about it?
Yeah. So I'll give you a story of a massager in Bombay. His name is Vishwajit.
Hmm.
And let's
Hmm.
say any person in Bombay, let's say goes to the masseuse section and looks
Hmm.
at all the profiles on our website, and
Hmm.
let's say
Hmm.
zeroes in on one profile which he likes after reading the story.
Right.
So our
Hmm. Hmm.
platform is about brilliant stories, and then go
Hmm.
ahead and click book a massage and then fill in
Right.
his date, timing, and this information goes directly to the masseuse. And
Hmm.
we believe in paying
Hmm.
forward. So,
Hmm.
like 10 rupees, 100 rupees, whatever he sees in it, or even
Hmm.
skip contribution and then go ahead
Hmm.
and directly book the masseuse. So,
Hmm.
whatever proceed
Hmm.
goes directly to the masseuse. So, that
Okay.
is how
Okay.
we operate in all other categories also.
Sure. Um, so like you mentioned, art, there's a lot of artwork, and there are some products made by these very people available on the website for sale. Holi is around the corner, like I was discussing with the audience before you were joining, that Holi is around the corner, and there is something really special that you guys are doing. So please tell us more about it. That what is it that people could go and buy and support this initiative?
Sure. So, in fact, so there are so many flowers which are discarded in temples.
Right.
So we
Hmm.
have this organization, Craftisan Foundation, and what we
Hmm.
do is like people with intellectual disability make organic colors from discarded flowers. The
Hmm.
branding, the packaging have all been done by people with intellectual disability. And in fact, today is
Hmm.
the World Down Syndrome Day, coincidentally. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So, basically, any person, like it's eco-friendly, skin-friendly, completely safe,
Mm.
and very
Wow.
high-quality organic colors. And it also
Right.
consumes
Yeah.
less water. And so it's like
Right.
eco-friendly. At the same time, you're supporting the livelihood of so many people with intellectual disability. And plus,
True.
the product is completely recycled from discarded flowers in temples.
Right,
So, and
right.
yeah.
Yeah, because yeah, you shop for colors from your local markets and they're full of toxins. I have especially experienced a lot of skin problems and skin rashes right after Holi. So I think I am going to definitely go and shop off for these natural colors. Guys, please, after this video, I am going to put out a link to the colors you can buy them, and please support this. They are 100% natural, toxin free. What else do you want to celebrate Holi in a much more natural and a more organic way? So please do that. And yeah, so I really urge you to visit the website Atypical Advantage and book people, hire people with disabilities because yes, they are special, and I think we should give them a chance to portray their talent and make a living out of it. Before this, I was not aware as to if there is someone, how would I approach that person or maybe hire that person for anything I need. But now I know about your website, so I'm definitely going to visit this. I am an artist myself. I know there are many more other people who have so much potential and such rich artistic sense of creating art, but just because of that one thing maybe that is missing in their life, they cannot maybe have like a full-fledged career like anyone else would do, and that is a very sad thing of our society. I think this is an excellent step that you guys have taken, and all the very best. Thank you so much for starting this initiative, and I really hope that this reaches many more people. All the very best, and happy Holi, everyone, in advance. Please go and check out Atypical Advantage. And yeah, thank you so much, Vineet, for throwing light on this subject and making us aware about it. Happy
Thank
Holi
you,
to you too,
Rashmi.
and have a
Happy
safe
Holi.
one, and all the very best for you.
Thank you, Rashmi. A lot of celebrities don't understand things at a deeper level, but thank you for supporting this. This really means a lot for our entire talent ecosystem. And yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for tuning in.